What does it take to ensure the safety of your employees working in wind power generation? Wind power generation comes with hazards, including electrical, falls from height, working in confined spaces, and equipment in motion. Trapped key interlocks helps you ensure a safer work environment in wind power generation and can be applied to roof access lifts and ladders, functions within the nacelle, converters and transformer boxes, and HV, MV, LV switchgear. How does it work? Trapped key interlocks follows a simple but safe predetermined sequence. Isolate the power, transfer the keys, safely access the hazardous environment. Trapped key interlock systems are a fully integrated safety solution and mitigates the risk of human error, and can be incorporated into almost any new or existing application within the wind power industry. Why partner with us on the safety of your wind power environment? We've already made onshore and offshore wind turbines safe all over the world, providing long-term protection for people and the planet. We're more than just a supplier. Our trusted experts are your safety partners in designing a unique safety solution that meets your specific needs. Most importantly, we live by our ethos of no compromise on safety, which means you will have peace of mind that the personnel on site are protected from harm. Get in touch with one of our experts today.